Let us see how we solve this assignment. Numeric sliders, check. Series, check. Point, check. Line, check. Let us do this. First, let me go to Sets and drag and drop a series. Let us create a numeric slider. Let us say from 0 to maybe 10.0. Connect, copy, paste, connect to the step, and the last one, let's set it to 9. Now let's double check what type of numbers we are getting. Let me change the font of the panel. And let me change the step to maybe 1.0. So look at the list of numbers. Now go and grab a point and connect the list of numbers to the white input. Now we can see a list of points on the top viewport of Rhino. Let me copy, paste this part of the definition, and let me drag and drop another point. The second point, the second one, this is the y coordinates, and this is the x coordinates. So now we can move the sliders and see how we move the second list of points. Finally, under the Curve tab, drag and drop a line component. Connect the first and the second list of points, and we solve the assignment. Now let's try another way. Copy-paste this part of the code. Connect the numeric slider to the count of the series and delete the numeric slider. Under primitives, drag and drop the line SDL. The start of the line is going to be this list of points. The direction, let me go to vectors and drag and drop an X unit vector and connect that to the direction. And how long do you want the curves? This is the length. Now you can play with the length, the start, and we solve the assignment. Hope you can duplicate this assignment.